Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to silence the parking assist if you want to do that. So that tutorial is coming up. So back in some of the earlier softwares, you used to be able to actually do the parking chime like right here when you were moving. You would be able to basically see a sound icon. You could hit it to mute it, but in this version 11, it's kind of gone now. So if we were to move the car just a little bit here, you hear the chimes basically. So there's nowhere for you to get rid of it. So the way you can do that in version 11 is if you go down to the car button here, go down to safety, and then if you scroll down just a little bit, park assist chime. So all you need to do is just hit that and it'll silence it. So if we were to back up, you can see my garage. We've got cabinets here and our other car is here, so everything is pretty close. Our other car's here. So basically if we back up, it should be making the noise, and as you can see, it's telling me, hey, 16 inches here, and it's pretty close. But with turning off the park assist, when we back up, no noise. So that's how you do that. That's how you turn it off. I don't think there's a temporary way to just like turn it on or turn it off. You have to actually manually turn it on and turn it off, and there's no setting where basically it just does it temporarily, like I said. So you want to turn it back on, obviously you just hit it again and now it's back on. So quick tutorial on how to do that. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.